So barbershop culture and tattoo culture tend to go hand in hand. I've been doing Logan's hair here for 5 years, and he didn't always have all these tattoos. And so one of the things that I always recommend is a great balm or oil to go with keeping your skin and your tattoos healthy and fresh. Now the best one on the market is by Olio. It's their tattoo oil. It will tighten and tone all the crisp lines, and it will help with making the colors pop. It refreshes and it can help with the healing as well for tattoos. Now, with the tattoo oil, a little bit goes a long ways, but Logan has quite a few tattoos, so we're gonna take this in a couple of steps. First time we apply the tattoo oil, I'm gonna have you hold out your arm. You just wanna do 4, 5, maybe 6 drops. Kind of spread evenly all over the tattoo. Now you're working it into the skin. You're trying to have the tattoo and the ink absorb the oil. It's not as much topical as it is. You want to kind of rub it on, but you don't want to hurt them. Now, as you can see, especially on this side, the ink is absorbing the oil, and not only has the black ink darkened, but also the lines are coming out. This is a really good way to impress a lady, or just for better skin health and tattoo health.